Good morning to all. Myself Sandhya Rani. In this video, I will explain about how we can represent the numbers in ones complement, twos complement, nines complement and tens complements, and how we are going to perform the subtraction using these complement methods. So first of all, what is meant by ones complement? How we are going to implement ones? How we are going to represent a number in ones complement? So first of all, I am taking the binary number and I am going to convert this number into the ones complemented number. So in this ones complement number, we are going to converting the number negation of that number. So 1. So 1's complement is nothing but 0 and 0 complement is nothing but 1. So we should remember this one only. So 1's complement is 0. 0 complement is 1. So by using this complement, we can convert the binary number into the ones complemented number. So 1, in place of 1, we have to write 0. 0, 0 place, we can replace it by 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Like this, we can convert the binary number into the ones complement of that number. After that, how we are going to represent two's complement number? So for representing the two's complement number, I am taking the same example binary number. So this binary number, first of all, we need to convert into ones complement. We know ones complement. In place 1, we should replace with 0. In place 0, we should replace with 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. After getting this one's complemented value, we need to add the 1 to the LSB. LSB means least significant bit. So for the LSB, if you add the 1, we can get the 2's complement of that number. So 0 plus 1 results in 1, 0 as it is 0, 1 as it is 1, 0 as it is 0, 0 as it is 0, 0 as it is 0. So only additional is adding the 1 to the LSB of that L1's complemented value. After that, how we can get the nines complemented value? So for example, I am taking the 4-digit number 2573 and I am going to convert this 2573 value into the nines complemented value. So for getting the nines complement value, we need to subtract from the 9. That's why I'm taking the 4-digit 9 value 9999 and subtracting the number from the 9. So 999 minus 2573. So 9 minus 3 results in 6, 9 minus 7 results in 2, 9 minus 5 results in 4, 9 minus 2 results in 7. So the nines complement of 2573 is nothing but 7426. After that, how we can represent the tens complement number? So 2573, I am taking the same example 4-digit number. So first of all, we need to convert this number into the nines complement by subtracting the number from the 4-digit nines. So 999. So 2573 subtracted from 9999 subtracted. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 7426, we can get the nines complement. After that, we need to add the 1 to the LSD. LSD means least significant digit. So we need to add the LSD 1 with the 1. So 6 plus 1 results in 7, 2 as it is 2, 4 as it is 4, 7. So 7427 with the tens complement of the 2573. Like this, we can convert the we can represent the ones complement binary number, two's complemented binary number, nines complement and tens complement. So now I'm going to perform the subtraction using ones complement method, after that two's complement method. So in ones complement method, subtraction using ones complement method. So for this I'm taking a 28 decimal number 28 is going to subtracted 1 5. So 2 5 minus 1 5. So for this 28 is going to convert into the binary number 1 1 0 0, and 1 5 is going to convert into binary 1 0 1 1 1 1. So for this is subtrahend. What is the value we are subtracting? That is nothing but a subtrahend. And from which number we are going to subtracting? That is nothing but a minute. So this is minute and this is subtrahend. So in this we are going to take the ones complement of the subtrahend. So subtrahend is this one. So ones complement of 0 is nothing but 1, and ones complement is 1 is nothing but 0, and ones complement of 1 is 0, and one's complement of 1 is 0, and one's complement of 0. So if you get the one's complement of this number, that is nothing but minus of subtrahend. So this minus value is going to add the minute. So what is this minute? Minute is nothing but 1 1 1 0 0. So this minus value is we are going to adding to this. So if you perform the addition operation, what happens? 0 plus 0 results in 0, 0 plus 0 results in 0, 0 plus 1 results in 1, 0 plus 1 results in 1, 1 plus 1 results in 0, and we have to get the carry. So if you get the carry, so this carry is going to add to the LSB of that number. So plus 1, this carry is going to add the LSB of that binary number. So 1 0 1 1 0. So this is nothing but the result of the ones complement subtraction. 1 3 is the subtracted value. So this binary number, if you convert this binary number into this decimal number, we got the 10 decimal. 13 is the decimal equivalent of 01101. So if there is no carry generated, then what happens if the one carry is not generated? At that time we need to take the ones complement of the result and put the sign, negative sign, minus sign before that value. So that means, for example, in this example, if carry is not generated, so this is the resultant value. This resultant value we need to take the ones complement of that number. So ones complement, after taking the ones complement value, we need to put the minus sign before the value of final ones complemented value. So like this we can perform the ones complement subtraction. Same example I am taking, I am going to perform the 2's complement subtraction method. So first 2's complement we need to perform the 1 5. 1 5 is 1 5 equivalent binary number is 0 1 1 1 1. So for performing this 2's complement subtraction, what we need to take? We need to take the 2's complement of this number. So for 2's complement, we need to take the 1's complement number first. So 0 is 1's complement number is 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Like this we can get the 1's complement. So for 1's complement we need to add plus 1 to the LSB. So 0 plus 1 results in 1, 0 0 0 1. So this is the 2's complement of this number. So this 2's complement number is going to convert, add to the minute. After getting the 2's complement of number, so we need to add this 2's complement number to the minute. Here the minute is 1 1 1 0 0, and 2's complement of the number is 1 0 0 0 1. If we add these two numbers, 0 plus 1 results in 1, 0 plus 0 results in 0, 1 plus 0 results in 1, 1 plus 0 results in 1. 1 plus 1 results in 1, 0. That means 1 is carry, 0 is the sum. So if carry is neglected, we need to ignore this carry and write the resultant value as the final result. That means subtracted result. If carry is not generated, in that case we need to take the 2's complement of the resultant. So in this way we can perform the 2's complement subtraction. After that, how we are going to perform the 9's complement subtraction? For this, I am taking the 2535 is the one number and 353665 is the another number. So for this number, what we have to do, we have to take the 9's complement of 3565. So 9's complement of 3565 is subtracting from the 9's, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 6, 4, 3, 4 is the 9's complement of 3565. This 9's complemented value, we are going to add this 2535. So the results in 5 plus 4 results in 9 and 6 plus 3, 6 results in 3 plus 3 results in 6, 4 plus 5 results in 9 and 6 plus 2 results in 8. So 8, 7, 6, 9 is the 8, 9, 6, 9 is the 9's complement subtraction of this. So if carry is not occurs, then carry is added to LSB. Carry is not generated, that carry occur. If carry occur, then we need to add that carry to the LSB like as one's complement method. If carry is generated, we need to add the carry. If carry is not generated, we need to take the minus of the result. So we need to put the minus sign before the resultant value, which results in, so 9's complement of the result. So here we have 9's complement of 8969 subtraction. So that is 9's complement of 8969 is 1030. We need to put the minus sign before that resultant value if carry is not generated. Here carry is not generated. That's why we need to take the 9's complement of the result. This is the result. So we are taking the 9's complement of the result. After getting the 9's complement result, we need to put the negative sign before that MSB. So if no carry is generated, we need to take the 9's complement value. If carry is generated, we need to add that carry to the LSB of that 9's complemented LSB of that resultant value. We can get the subtraction value. After that, 10's complement subtraction. For this 10's complement subtraction, we need to take the 9's complement first for the subtrahend. After that, we need to add LSB to the 9's complement value, results in 10's complement value. So the 10's complement number is 7465. This 10's complement value we need to add to the minute 3565. So if we add that 3565, so what happens? 1, 5 plus 5 results in 0. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1 results in 13. 5 plus 9, 10, 9. 9 plus 1 results in 0, 10. 10 plus 3 results in 10. 10 plus 1 results in 11. So 1 we are writing as the sum and 1 as the carry. If carry is generated, what we have to do? We should remove the carry and write the result as it is. If no carry is generated, we need to take the 10's complement of this number and put the sign before the MSB, negative sign before the MSB. If the carry is generated, what we have to just simply neglect the carry and take the remaining digits as the resultant subtraction. If carry is not generated, in such cases we need to take the 10's complement of the result and put the minus in before that MSD, MSD, make most significant days. So like this, you can perform the subtraction using all complement methods. I hope you all understood. Thank you so much.